Bonsai. Hello and welcome to another edition of Pilot Light Media. Today we have a great project in store. This is the Willow Bonsai Tree from our friends at CZ Grain. They give you one large stalk and then some other smaller pieces. So basically you are just buying the one piece, but they do give you a few others so that you can experiment a bit and to give you a better chance of survival. So we have 5 pieces in all. They were just wrapped in this wet paper towel. They look great upon arrival. You can start these in soil. In fact, the instructions say to do so. We wanted to give it a try in water. So what we did is we just used ordinary water. We filled it up about halfway so that the pieces of wood are submerged about 3 or 4 inches deep. And we're going to let that sit for 30 days. Please like and subscribe if you like today's video. Here we are at our 30-day mark. We're going to take the roots out and look at them. Those are some juicy roots. So let's take them in the lab and have a better look. Here we have the 4 smaller pieces. They all look great. They've all sprouted and have nice roots. This is the main central stalk. Again, you can see several root structures coming out of that, as well as a number of leaves. So the large one from top to bottom is over a foot. It's about 18 inches. And now it's time to plant. We're using a group of terracotta pots that we bought specifically for this purpose, and then one large one for the central tree. They also come with these small pieces of fiber mesh screen ready to go and perfect size for the pot. And here we're using ordinary gravel for our drainage layer. Finally putting in some of our soil, and again this is just ordinary organic topsoil. So we filled the pot about halfway full of soil. We're going to lay in our tree and then go ahead and fill the pot back up. Please like and subscribe if you like today's video. finally, after another 30 days, this is 60 days total, we're going to plant them. We're also going to leave one in water just to see what happens. So we're just going to add some of the water back in that it was already in and put it in a smaller vase. And it does have some roots of its own, so it'll be fun to watch this. And then finally a good watering, because we do want to keep those delicate roots wet. And here we have the final piece of the puzzle after another 30 days. So this is at 90 days. We can see that they look great. We did lose one, and the one that's in the water looks like it's struggling a bit. But this one looks fantastic. This is one that we've lost. And this is the one that's in water. We do have a lot of algae growth in the water, which does not seem to bother the plant, but there is a little bit of yellow on the leaves. Also, I think that the glass might have been magnifying the sun a bit onto those leaves, so there could be a few different struggles here. And when we look at past footage, we can see that the one was struggling during that 60-day mark. But now we seem to have completely lost it. So here you have it. The ones that sprouted turned out great. That is why they give you multiple sticks. Again, a good shout out to CZ Grain. This is a really cool project. It was a really fun thing to use and to buy. We would definitely do it again. And if you're looking for something a little different to do, please check them out. We'll put the details down in the description. Thanks again for watching today at Pilot Light Media. Bonsai.